Here we have reached the spot of a fake guru, the so-called spiritual guru, is being allegedly involved in molesting girls of this institute, which is being managed by Shri Shri Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Mahasansthanam. However, there are a lot of shocking revelations have been made in this case, but Dynamite News is going to bring some exclusive coverage for you. However, before coming here, we went to the Mutt, from where this institute is being managed. A lot of media outlets have not covered it. They have shown you just this institute, but when we went there, we asked the security personnel to tell us the shocking revelations about the Mutt also. There we tried to talk to them on camera too, but they denied. So we then talked to them off camera, and then they told us that Baba used to get there too, and with girls too. And then we asked him what did he used to do. Did he used to do the same things what he used to do in this institute? He told that we don't know about it. The girls used to get blessings from him, blessings from this. See, you can now understand what kind of hegemony he had over his authorities, over the security personnel, over the employees of the Mutt or the Sevadas, whatever we can call. Here you can see the exclusive pictures of the institute. This is the same institute where he used to molest the girls, and you have to give a thought to it. It is only about 17 girls whose statements have been recorded in front of the district magistrate. However, 32 girls were asked about this case, but 17 girls have given their statement in front of district magistrate. Now you have to give it a thought that it is not only about 32 girls, it is about those girls too who didn't come up in front of the camera, in front of people, because it is not the first time the Baba has been involved in such scandalous case. He had been involved in the same case in 2006, in 2019, and in 2016 an FIR has been filed by a girl on the charges, on the pretext of molestation, physical assault, physical abuse, and he was arrested. He was apprehended by the Vasant Kunj police, but he got out on bail. He walked out freely on bail, but still it is unbelievable to understand how did he get to manage the same position in this institute. Now the Mutt has broken down all the relations and connections with him. The Mutt has literally abandoned him, but still it is shocking to know that how powerful he is, because police are looking for him. Police have not been able to arrest him, but still, without having any connections with Mutt, now he has been able to abscond easily. Now it has to be seen what this case holds, because further investigations will reveal how he used to molest girls, how he used to threaten girls, because he used to have lewd comments on girls. But still, the case is ongoing. Stay connected to Dynamite News. We will bring further insights that no other media outlet would be able to do. With my colleague Rohit Goyal, Karan Sharma, Delhi, Dynamite News.